Your Student Access Card, more commonly known as your student card, is your gateway to university buildings and facilities. This card will serve as your personal university identification, which means that it is a declaration that you are now an official member of the NWU family. On top of being a flashy NWU ID badge, your student card will also be required for entry at main gates, turnstiles, faculty buildings, and residences. As a first-year student, you will also have an opportunity to make your student card before arriving on campus. A huge perk of your student card is the ability to pay for food, clothes, and other events hosted by the NWU. However, this is limited to certain shops and departments on campus. Since your student card will even be used to take attendance in classes and exam halls, it would be wise to keep it safe and with you at all times. What happens if your student card is stolen or lost? It's easy. Go to your Campus Protection Services office and simply request a new one. The friendly officers will provide you with a new card and ensure that your old card is deactivated. This new card does come at a price, so be sure to hold on to the free one you receive after registration.